You know what time it is. Time to unbox these suckers. What's going on, YouTube Fragrance family? Welcome to my haul slash unboxing slash first impression on paper on these three fragrances right here. All blind buys because I live dangerously. These are all from my partner, fragrancexx.com. You can utilize my sweet code Robes08 on FragranceX and get 15% off. Much appreciated from me. And of course, thank you, FragranceX, for the monthly haul. Loving it. So let's take a look at what I got. So as you can see, I got two niche, one designer. Let's start designer. Let's go designer first, and then we'll run through them. So we'll start off with Calvin Klein. Hey, Calvin Klein, word of the wise: never go full retail with CK. Calvin Klein, never, ever. You spend 80 bucks on retail. I don't know how much it is in the US, but these are like 80, 90. These are like just same thing as a Dior or a Chanel almost. Pricey stuff. Never go full retail with CK, ever, ever. I've never went full retail except way back when I was in high school and I got CKB like a sucker. But now that I know more about fragrances, stuff like that, this stuff goes at discounters under 40. You just got to be patient. The only thing with CK stuff, Calvin Klein likes to discontinue their fragrances like this. So you may miss something that's really good, but they release things like fragrances like freaking cookies. So it's kind of hard to discern which ones are actually good and which ones that you can just skip over. So this one, the bottle's kind of cool. Discontinued, of course. It was a 2016 release, already discontinued, just like Calvin Klein does. So this is supposed to be, you know, I think it's the Millennials CK1, or they tried to do that. So we'll see what we get. Again, I've never smelt this. I actually never seen this in a department store or even tested it out. That's how many times I go into department stores to sniff out scents. In my hometown, we got nothing. So this stuff, not that I'm excited. It's probably light, airy, aromatic. That's what I'm kind of assuming. It's what CK does. Next is from the House of Oud. This one called Dates Delight. They have a grape one and a dates one. Those were the two that really piqued my interest because those are two notes that you don't run often in the fragrance community. So when I saw that and some darker notes with it, I felt interested. I love the little eggy look in bottles. This is, again, blind buying, never smelled anything from the brand. And one word to the wise. You know, I had multiple fragrance reviewers that I talked to. One guy that I really, really respect, his nose is Peter from his channel, Fragrance View. Oh, I hope I didn't butcher that. I don't want to take another take on this, but Peter from Fragrance View knows that I absolutely respect. I love his channel. Go check it out if you haven't. Peter told me stay away from this brand. And Peter doesn't like much, but when he does like something, you gotta pique up your interest. But and you know, I got other reviewers like Renee, Mr. Zayas 81 is his channel, that absolutely loves this brand. So you know, word of the wise, trust your own nose, go with your instinct, things like that. This is usually when you got polar opposites like that. With me, again, reviewers, is great information from them, but at the same time, just because somebody hates it doesn't mean you're going to hate it too. So I decided to roll the dice. Usually when that kind of happens, when I'm in the middle, I usually sample, but what the hey, this is what I do. So Dates Delight, let's see if there's some dates in here. Let's see what it smells like. And of course, the pièce de résistance is always at the end of my unboxings. Amouage. You can't go wrong with Amouage. Every time FragranceX gets a new Amouage, I'm waiting for Beach Hut Man. I told them to get it in stock. They just got this in stock, and I snatched it up with a quickness. So Figment, man, I can't wait. Again, blind buy. Amouage, I don't even care anymore. I got the whole men's lineup pretty much. So, but Beach Hut Man, I need to get my hands on next if they get it in stock. So let's unbox these suckers. Again, I got my my personalized sticks right here like a bouse. And let's unbox them. The CK did not come with cellophane. I don't know if that's what came with this usually. I don't know. Not a red flag to me. I know that Fragrance X is legit all day, every day. So let's see what we got here as the bottle. Decent. Not... Okay, plasticky, kind of... It's different. It's unique. It kind of looks like a, I don't know, water jug. And then you can hold it like this, and yeah. So if this seems interesting to you, again, this thing's is discontinued, and it's going to start getting scarce to find. So let's see if it's interesting. Let's smell it out. First impression. On paper, again, on paper is not everything. That's why I do a first impression after this first impression. Like a couple weeks later, actually on my skin. I live with it for a bit, because on your skin for a day, it might be a whole different story. It has happened. So let's try CK2. 3-4 sprays. Let's put it in its holder like this. Let's do it like this. It's not as sturdy as I thought it was going to be. So CK2. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, no surprises here. Ozonic, clean. Those comes to mind. Little aquatic tinge to it. A little bit of a citrus here. And I remember looking at the note breakdown of this thing. Not only did the bottle sell me, but also the note breakdown. I remember seeing wasabi, something like that, or not rocks, but pebbles and wasabi. And I'm like, Calvin, come on now. What are you guys smoking now? Yeah. Watery, violet leafish. It smells like violet leaf, that watery aspect. Very well done violet leaf, actually. It's got a little bit of a fruity tinge. A little, something very clean. A little bit of florals here too. It really... Yeah, it's so CK1-ish. It really is, you know, refreshing, clean, ozonic. Smells like almost like a very, like a white candle almost. Like it has like the waxy quality to it. Very clean. Exactly what I'd come to expect from this type of fragrance. Refreshing. It's good. I can't wait to try it on my skin. It's nothing mind-blowing that I'm going to be like, oh my god, you got to get this, guys. It's discontinued. This is the best CK since CKB back in the 90s. No. But it's actually pretty good. It's not, you know, it doesn't hurt your nose, and it's very clean, pleasant. Not bad. So this one, I'm scared to open it because I really like these bottles. And this is my first one. So the excitement's there. Date's Delight. The other one was Grape Pearl. That's what it was. Grape Pearl. And they sold out like super quick on Grape Pearl. So, because I was going to get two of these. I was going to get this one and Grape Pearl. So here's the... Oh, the bottle came out. Ooh, oh, okay. So, we got a little pamphlet here. This piece is a jewel of artistry. Okay, that's nice. Cut the BS. So a little eggies. Okay, so let's take this out of the equation here. It seems very bulky here. Wow, it looks like the pedestal, it did move during transit. You can see the pedestal kind of got a little damage here. Not a big deal, but whatever. The actual egg look is nice. The bottle looks nice. This is, it's got some weight to it, but it's kind of, feels kind of cheap. But anyway. Date's Delight. Okay, so I'm looking for something very, I don't know. I don't even know what to expect from this thing. I just sprayed a whole bunch. So, sweet bottle, man. That's a good looking bottle. Date's Delight. Let's take a look at it. What? This smells like Narguilé. It smells like Hermes Essence's Narguilé. Amber, is that you? Yep. Narguilé. Very gourmandish. Honeyed sweetness. I don't know if there's cinnamon in here. There's some spice here. Something. Because it smells like ham nargile so much. Very sweet, balsamic, honeyed sweetness. Cinnamon. There's got to be cinnamon in this. Dates? No. I'm not getting it right now. Warm. I don't want to say warm apple pie-ish, but damn, is that freaking close. Very sweet, very much cinnamon. If there's no cinnamon in here, you slap me. Very rich, very gourmandish. It's taking a turn on the piece of paper. This is going to be a skin. I can't wait to put it on my skin. Yeah. Interesting gourmandish fragrance. Dates Delight. Not what I was expecting. I guess I got another Am Nargile clone. I don't know. I don't know what to say yet. Little disappointed. I'll be honest. A little disappointed. I really wanted something different, right? A date-like scent. That's what's in the name, dates. Maybe it'll give me something else on my skin. But hey, I don't really need a fragrance that smells like apple pie or like strong cinnamon. I've got tons of those, but hey, the bottle looks good. And again, being straightforward and honest as a first impression. Just because it's expensive and it looks like a sweet ass egg does not mean I'm gonna give it great marks. Next, you better not disappoint me. You usually never disappoint. Amouage. Figment. Smiles on my face. Cause Amouage on Boxing days are great days. This thing's tight. All right. Figment Man, come to Papa. I can't wait till you join your brothers and sisters in my curio cabinet. Oh, you too. You kind of moved on. I'll take the box away from here. Oh. So it's got that green bluish look to the bottle. Figment on the side as per usual. Nice cap as per usual. Amouage, I don't need to talk about the presentation. I've seen one. I've seen them all. So welcome to the collection. Figment Man. I hear you're challenging. Don't disappoint. Be challenging. Challenge the shit out of my nose, Figment Man. Come on now. Oh. Wet soil. Oh, that's challenging. Oh, that's different. That's some strong soil. Holy crap. Oh. You smell like dirt. That's interesting. Oh, it's got some freshness to it. So, okay. Oh, Amouage. Oh, Amouage. You hit me. You hit me right in the nostril, and then you start giving me some freshness up top. You smell a little bit like bracken. You got a little bit of that greenness in here. Oh yeah, this is aromatic. It's got some spice. It's very green. It is very much. I think one of the notes in this note breakdown is earthy qualities. Or they didn't really actually give it, and that's what I. Oh, that's interesting. That is earthy as hell. It's got like a lemon sparkle. I can smell the citrus. Citrus, almost like, picture this. Lemon cut up, just a small slice. You throw it in a bunch of dirt, like soil. And your nose is right in that soil, like right in it. Like you're, boom. I've never smelled soil like this. Like I've smelled earthy fragrances, you know, earthy, soil-like. This, oh, man. Interesting. Not for everybody. Damn, that's different. Wow. And look at me. I'm attracted to these. I'm sorry. I'm attracted to these kind of scents. Like I don't want to stop smelling it. So as far as excitement factor, already this one, the most unique Amouage like quality, beautiful. And again, as far as descriptors go, you guys probably, some of you watching my channel are like, what the hell is this guy smoking like that? I'm not even going to even attempt to smell that stuff. That's as far as what you're describing, I don't want to smell like that. And I do. I do. Oh, amouage. So I can't wait to try this one out because I know there's a lot more complexities to the fragrance, more into the dry down, things like that. So smile on my face because that is, it gets my blood flowing as a fragrance reviewer and a fragrance head. It's a challenge for me and I can't wait to try it out. This one, you smell like narguilé. You're confusing me a little bit, but the bottle's sexy. I kind of like this eggy look. So Peter was kind of, Peter, man, I should trust you a little bit more. And then CK2, not a trash Calvin Klein fragrance. And I'll be honest, Calvin Klein releases some junk, like junk. And again, don't pay retail for Calvin Klein. They are worth $30. Do not pay full retail. Don't do it. But this one seems, you know, if you like that kind of scent, transparent, easy to wear. I really see this as a springtime scent, wearing it to work. Something that I don't really have to think about. It's probably going to last. If I had to guess, Calvin Klein usually lasts 3 to 5 hours on my skin. So it's not going to be, you know, beast of any shape or way or form. But interesting. This one, of course, has a lot of narguilé, so fall time scent, nighttime scent. And this guy, what are you doing? Fall. This is going to be perfect for fall. That soil-like feel is going to work very well with the leaves coming down, and especially for those rainy fall, cold nights. I feel like that. And again, this is just a first impression, but that's where I would be wearing these fragrances. So a haul, semi-good, semi-disappointment. You know, this is better than I expected. This is kind of a letdown, and this is exactly what you put a smile on my face. You're weird, you're different, and I like it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me on this experience. Again, usually I do these just off camera, but it seems like you guys do want to see me unbox them and smell them for the first time. Why not? My descriptors may be wrong, right? I put it on my skin, you know, a couple weeks later and you see a video of me wearing this and I'm like, this is total crap. That's what happens when you put stuff on your skin. So kids, kids, if you got a couple lessons, today is amouage, dark, challenging, different. You got to try before you buy. It might not be for everybody. Second, the bottle may be sexy, but the juice inside may disappoint, especially when it says something in the name. Does not mean that it's going to be the primary note in a fragrance. Now, again, it might go on my skin. I'll be like, dates? Oh yeah, dates delight. Exactly that. Third, put fragrances on your skin. Try them out on your skin, not on a piece of paper. And fourth, don't judge a brand because it sucks. Calvin Klein is steadily throwing out really shitty fragrances on the market and seeing if they stick. Honest. But they can churn out a good fragrance, especially for somebody on a budget. So there's a couple timbits as far as this video goes. It's running a little long, and as usual, I'd love to hear your take on any of these fragrances, any of these brands. You know, amouage, let me know. Beach Hut Man, should I get it when Fragrance X gets it in stock? I probably won't listen to you because I'm going to get it anyway. So, doesn't matter. Should I try to get a couple more eggies? Let me know in the comments below. And are you surprised that I actually liked a Calvin Klein fragrance? It is what it is. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.